See Wale DJ Neck tuchagenda dara maso. This is Electric Thursday. We strictly pray for you music anyumo kubango ulirizako. Onako olwalero basebo ne manyabo nyinamugana gift of Kado. First things first, Kado farm echali yo over.
Kado farm.
Co-driver nalabako Kado farm.
Yes man.
Nezi nebya zenda ba Kado farm ono zateriko.
Nenda kweli. Because Kado Farm is still Kado Farm and I'm the Kado Farm man, myself.
Okay.
Nze Kado Farm nze mwenye. So leo ndaba kuchinga unauza leo na ndio chalibo. Ngateka milioni omulaba.
How have you been, bro?
I'm okay, big man. What's up?
I'm good.
Perfume zinkubo bwo.
Kama kawali. Boza kubatu laba gift of Kado.
Abatuuliza na abatulaba gwenda bali kubala mu kubanza bitaliwa mu Kado. I'm the guy who sang Traffic Man, many songs, Kulu, many. So I'm the guy, that guy, who yakuyimbira obulungi oyo. Ate nera yagala omuwagire, yija imyaka 10. Katuta nsemyaka 10 emirala. Yema ke 10 nagisavinga sebo nendiza mu relaxation.
Emyaka 10 jojiwera. Yes. Era ne waka wali.
So this we started another decade,
okay,
of 10 years. So we are in 2020. So how
long have you been in the industry, Kado?
Man, I would say that I've been in it for like around 14 years, man.
14 years?
Yes, man. Because I like my senior two in Quigo's Nest. That's when I started like.
When one?
Yes.
Okay.
That's when I started going out and I could be a show, music Africa coming in a jam session.
Okay.
Before the good life was made up.
Okay.
No Island.
I know.
So I kept it, like I've grown up in the industry, like watching these people, like
Wale omayichinyumira. Nalimbanyi gift of Kado muganda wa radio.
Bafana akalevuloza Kado akajyako
akatuliba muganda wa radio.
Okay. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today on the show we have Gift of Kado. He's an artist who has been in it for over 14 years or more today. Bingi byamanyi era bingi betugenda kubanga tunulira. Naye nga industry yenga bwagiraba agenda kuba agitubuulira. Naye nga olunaku lwalero we are strictly going to be focusing on discipline as a general. Discipline ina effect ki ku music industry ye Uganda. Oba abayimbi engeri gye weeyisaamu when it comes to discipline. Oyinza kufuna kunyigizibwa ki mu industry olunaku olwaliro. Don't forget, he has a brand new project we're going to premiere at Bulyeneku album.
Yes.
I don't know, artists have started getting back to the process of doing albums. Enaku zina bayimbi bakola albums ekibatawaddeyo emyaka 3-5 ekibadde emabega. Ogenda kuba mbulira, why did you start up also okubanga okibuukira naawe n'obanga okitandikako. Then otubulire industry nga bw'ogiraba Gift of Kado. Ebintu bino bimanyi nakulaba owanda omuliro.
Siwanda, just mbanjogera ebintu ku mutima sometimes. At times ndwawonya okwogera kati otayogera sometimes walooza golifala you are what. Others are making noise and they are doing nothing, but you're doing some work and no one is recognizing that work you're doing. They're just keeping you there as if.
Why do you think people don't recognize the work you're doing?
No, not the people. My people have the most fun. What I'm when Ugandans that sing about Zabanji and Kuburia Muganda. Because I'm here in Kampala. I've traveled to South Sudan deep, not even in Juba.
Okay.
Like have more fun. So about my country, where I started. Expanding or whatever. But then our media sometimes what we are penning on those challenges because in any business there's challenges, man. Even if you won't call a business, you know what you guys in Enga tunda what we gonna like I know. I lost some of my friends, I lost some of so the pace won't be the same pace.
I know.
But if the media is there to build the industry, then we will know that
before we go in for a short commercial break, why do you think there is a gap between the media personnel and the artists?
Come again.
Olowooza lwaki waliwo gap eyo oba space wakati waffe bapresent oba bannamawulire namwe abayimbi.
Which space are you talking about? Like what kind?
Kuba ogambye
Yes.
the reason as to why you seem people don't appreciate you because ffe bannamawulire tukoze bwaffe.
The reason is that we grow, everything grows. Buli kimu kitambula oba ozimba enju tugitandikira ku bbaati.
Alright.
Kitegeera otandikira ku foundation. So build the foundation then you gena mpola okitegeera. Naye wano industry wejja omuntu nakubayo akayimba kamu bap man gwe bakwera bye nabanga batakulaba ngana ko kyokka bamuwagira more 2 months na even his song is not strong enough to stand for like even 5 years. My songs have stood for me for like 10 years. Up to now I'm still standing, man, nigga.
Gift of Kado.
So why don't you appreciate me when I'm still alive?
All right.
You're complaining about these people. Let me
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to go in for a short commercial break. It seems Gift of Kado has a lot to say. Never to get a cool wood. You get every chimu. Gana and Kado. After commercial break, I have gift of Kado tukyanyumya ebintu bingi. Don't forget Lucky Fashions wali okubanga kutuusako ebyomulembe byonna byonna kati koleko sente tukomewo gift of Kado all the way from the Kado farm is with me on the show. This is Dr. Force Preacher is my name. DJ Neck, let's go.